What's going on, guys? Big Mike, D717 Outlaw. So we're going to postpone the race fuel versus pump gas just because we have a couple things to do to the bike before we go to the track here on Friday. So what we're going to be getting into today is hopefully the answer to our prayers for me not trying to wheelie off the line. So what we're going to be installing today is a Speed Needs front end strap kit. Now what a strap kit on a bike is, it's pretty much a tie down strap. And what we do is we put two brackets on the back side of the brakes, and that attaches to these two little eyelets. And then all we do is we use this tie down and we pull the front forks down. Now what that's going to do is it's going to make the bike sit, I guess if you're looking at the orientation of the bike now, it's going to make it sit down like this. So that way whenever we take off, the bike squats and levels out instead of squatting and picking the front end up. And that's, well, at least that's the hope for it. But we're going to go ahead and do that. And I think the other thing I'm going to do is I think I'm going to pull the front fender off and see if it gives us a little bit more clearance. Because when we go to pull the forks down, we don't got a lot of room to go. So we're going to see what we can do. All right, guys, let's get into this install.
But it bruises my eyes. I wish I would prepare for the worst, but still be the first. I think I should make the yellow light, but it bruises my eyes. I wish I would prepare for the worst, but still be the first. I think I should. Make the yellow light, but it bruises my eyes. I wish I would.
Alright guys, took just a little bit longer than anticipated, but we have our brackets up. Now all they have on them, let me turn the light on, just a little Allen head screw. And what we're going to do is we're going to feed the strap up over the triple tree and then run these down through the opening. Go ahead, hook them up, and more than likely we won't be testing them per se. God damn, that's bright. That's better. Testing it tonight just because it's late. I just wanted to get this installed. But these strap kits are really nice because, it's, like I said, it just helps you keep the front end strap down. But let's go ahead and finish getting this installed and show you what the final product looks like. Even though this is a short install, this garage is too freaking hot. But anyway, we have the strap all done up. We have, let me turn on the light again. So we ran it underneath the line, so it's only going to put any tension on the frame triple tree section. So yeah, went pretty smooth. Can't see anything there, but you can see straps go here, and then once we get to the track, we'll go ahead and we will ratchet it down and pull the front end down and get it just a little bit better. Because right now it's set to where pretty much it's at like the resting suspension travel. So yeah, once we get out to the track, we'll go ahead, tighten these down. Hopefully this will help save our launches so we can keep the front end down just a bit more. But alright guys, gonna be honest, that's pretty much wraps this up. If you guys have any more questions about anything, any parts that I got, go ahead, show. Here is Speed Needs card. They have a lot of stuff. I mean, here just on the back of their card, lowering strap kits, BST carbon fiber wheels, ceramic bearings, air shifters, nitrous systems, oil pans, and much more. And they have all their information down here for their website, Facebook, and Instagram. I'm going to go ahead and put their information down below. If you guys are in the market for any of that stuff or more, go ahead and contact these guys. Very fast shipping. I ordered it through their eBay shop, and heck, it was supposed to be a week. Came in like 3 days. So to me, it was pretty quick shipping. Everything went in flawlessly, and yeah, now we get to test it out at the track. All right, guys, I always hope you like the video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. If you want to know anything more about the parts that we installed here today, be sure to check out the links down below for all the companies that I use for my parts, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you later. Remember, ride safe, ride smart, always wear a helmet. See ya.